Now, using conventional method for this type of question will be very lengthy. So you must understand a few relations using which you will be able to solve this question probably orally or maybe in 2 steps only. Okay. Now the relation between the side can be radius, so it can be any length. Okay. So relation between the side or length, surface area and volume. Okay, now surface area is proportional to the square of the side, or if I look at vice versa, side will be proportional to the square root of the surface area. Right, I repeat, surface area is proportional to the square of the side, volume is proportional to the cube of the side. On the other hand, side is proportional to the square root of the surface area, side is proportional to the volume, the cube root of the volume of any figure or any body. Now this happens for every three-dimensional or two-dimensional figure, right? So now let's handle this question. So they are saying that surface area, let's say earlier it was X, it has increased by 125%. That means it has become X plus 125% of X. So that means it becomes 225 upon 100 X. So this is about surface area. So the side or the radius, because they are talking about a sphere, so what will happen to the radius? So if radius originally was r, so now it will increase to square root of 225 upon 100, square root of 225 upon 100 times the original radius. Okay, so it is square root of this, right? So that is 15 upon 10 times radius, right? So original radius, if it was r, so for this figure whose surface area has increased by 125%, radius will become 15 by 10 or 1.5, or the increase in radius will be 50%, right? Fine. So radius will become 1.5 times the original radius. That means there is an increase of 50% in the radius. Now we'll have to find out the change in volume. So if radius was r and it has become 15 upon 10 r, so if original volume was v, the new volume will be 15 upon 10 whole cube. So volume is proportional to the cube of the side of the original volume. So 15 upon 10 whole cube of the original volume, that is 3375 upon 1000 of the original volume. That means 3.375 of the original volume. So from V to this value, there is an increase of 237.5%. So 237.5% will be the final answer for question number 20.